Kamusta ang laro?
Ayun, pagod.
7:30 na naman.
7:30 ba naman eh?
Kasi, sarap maglaro.
Panalo.
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 Magkano panalo mo, pre? Pahingin naman panalo. Ito video.
Pawis ang balato.
Pawis ang balato.
Yung hindi naghiwalay yung body sa katawan.
Body and soul. Body and soul separate.
Sarap.
Sarap maglaro. Ah! Kotik ice.
Yung Shionage. Yung
Shionage.
Sakit pala.
Sakit. Sakit, di nga ako nasaktan eh.
Hindi nga ako nasaktan eh.
Na ako nagnagi.
Ayos yun ah.
Sprite. Pepsi. Okay. Siguro mga ganun din yun eh. Bigyan mo ng mga. Ayos! Ayos! Kabalay-balay.
Dami na
Sarap niyang break. Lagi, ubus ka yun. Maliit lang to pero mababaw lang.
This one is the one of the best tomato sauce that you can have.
Video. It's a video.
Ay na pa, tama na yan.
Sa ano kami? Sa Jeko.
Oh man. Lang sa kape ate ah.
Okay.
Sarap.
Baka mahulog ko. Sa edge.
Wala pa sek?
Wala pa eh.
Pinapatubo pa yung...
Napatabo pa yung kape. Still may coffee.
Still planting.
Still planting.
Yes.
Ano, sorry po. Hindi nila yung...
Say, ano mga message mo sa akin?
How are you? Fine, thank you.
Message mo sa akin.
We missed Sensei Arik, the exercise and the teachings that he impart to us during the time that he is with us.
He will miss
I miss the stretching.
He said he will miss your stretching. He will not forget you. He will not. He will always remember. Yes, kakasalita.
That's nice.
Paano mo naman malaman na legit yung receipt mo?
Verify mo dun sa pawn shop.
Kasi doon lang sa pawn shop, doon kayo makikita sa
Oo.
pawn shop eh.
May mga nakatambay sa pawn shop.
Me and Arik-san was the first to communicate. He saw our videos in YouTube, so he contacted me and I told him to come. That's why he played with us from May up to now August. So how was your experience with us?
Very nice, because you are very flexible, but much more smaller than me. So I had to adjust my technique to the people which are smaller.
Yes. You had to play with small people.
Yes.
And for us, we had to play with you.
You had to change.
Yes, you had to change. Yes, but it was a good experience.
with you it was very nice experience, very nice trainings, very nice atmosphere, very nice lunches. I am in Saudi Arabia, but I'm more familiar with the Filipino food than with the Arabic food.
Right. But at
It
least
is because of you.
but today we want you to taste the local Saudi food here.
It was very nice local, very nice food, very well prepared. I liked it very much. And I had seen the traditional way how the Arabic people are eating on the floor.
Yeah, right.
It is something unusual and not often.
Not common.
Not common.
Yeah. Good. I will talk to Sensei. No? How was your experience with Arik-san? Because he will
Oh my God! My experience with Arik-san, it's really both of my shoulder were injured.
But it was the question about your experience on your shoulders.
No, it's part. It is part of the experience.
Yes.
But anyhow, this is what we do. I know, no pain, no gain. But overall, we are very happy. You know, Mr. Arik, we are very happy that you played with us for 4 months, and I do hope that you will have more power and more Aikido skills to come. And good luck. God bless you.
How about you, Sensei?
Same, shoulder pain.
It was a very good experience with Sensei Arik.
Sabihin mo na.
We learned, especially for me, I learned a lot from him, and we do appreciate your joining our club for a few weeks, months, and we do hope that someday we'll meet again.
Yes.
And yeah, we enjoyed playing with Sensei.
Yes, we can go to Paris for the training of Christian Garcia. He has very nice seminars in Paris.
And hopefully you will be there as well.
Yes.
We'll
Yes,
see.
okay.
Hopefully. Let's play for that.
No.
Hello, anong hello? Hello. Anong hello?
Oh my God.
Sige. Malayo.
It's been a pleasure practicing with Sensei Arik. I learned a lot of some techniques to know the center, to know how to deflect. Overall, he's a nice partner at all because he is tall. For me, it's a good advantage because I learned how to imbalance the taller guy. So when we go to outside, I know what to do. So it's been a pleasure to practice with him. So nice meeting him. Good luck. Bye bye.
Because he used to travel to Spain.
He always try to fix your visas.
Yeah. Oh,
Thank you very
thank
much.
you.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
very much.
Kalasa.
Halas.
Kasi,
Sa ka na ng Sarigan?
Oo.
Oh, sige.
Keep practicing sport.
Sige. Kaya ano. Sige. Ayos na yun. Ayos.
next time na.
Okay.
Bye-bye na rin ako. Bye-bye.
Ayaw nga pala. Bakasyon ka pala.
Bye-bye.
He will also go vacation.
Alis ka rin, Jay.
Say. Thank you. Yes, he will return. Yeah.
Last pawayan pala si Sensei.
Ay, oo.
Oh.
Di ba lalabas tayo dyan?
Oo.
Lalabas tayo dito.
Oo.
6'6", 6'7", exit ka. Dire-diretso sa'yo yun.
Pag-click mo.
Huwag ka na dito dyan. 6'6", yan, 6 yan.
Picture. Say, picture
Video to, video.
Video.
Just sa memory.
Tapos pag diretso dito ang tulay na to,
Lalabas tayo dyan. Tapos pag-exit ka na pagkatawid ng tulay. Exit ka na, 7 na yun.
pag exit ko, yun na yung papunta.
7 na yun, pupunta na sa yun.
Nakin Mall.
Lagyan mo na yun. Okay?
Okay.
Ingat sa bakasyon to.
Ay, oo, bakasyon ka pala. Thank you.
Bye everyone.
Makapagbalik ko.
Okay. Again. Again. Yeah. Thank you.
Wala. Baka ano na ako.
Sige. Let's go. Ayan na.
Good luck on your new company.